Enjoying our non-riding day.
Enjoyed our non-riding day, but we're actually going to go for a little ride.
Crap, 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 crap.
Morning all. This is the morning in Santa Fe at the Hilton Hotel Historic Plaza. I think I got it wrong yesterday when we arrived. We are doing a little ride today with not a lot other than shorts, trainers, crash helmet, and
It's only a mile down the road.
two bags of laundry. It's laundry day for us today. It is only a mile down the road, but we thought we'd take the bike, just why not? And plus, if it's packed, we can mosey on down to the one that's about 4 miles away. So yeah, easy day, relaxing. We'll do some footage of what we're up to today, and that's about it.
Enjoying our non-riding day.
Enjoyed our non-riding day, but we're actually going to go for a little ride. Cheers.
Laundry's done. It's now 10 to 11. Gonna go and check out the local cafe to try and do some uploading and downloading. And have a nice coffee. See you later.
That was fun. Laundrette done. Welcome to Widow Twanky's Laundrette. Dun, 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 dun. Skids. Dun, 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 dun. Jeans. More stuff hanging. And more stuff hanging. And more stuff hanging. Can't express how important it is to get to a laundrette. I mean, look at the state of our room. It's like fucking bombs at it. Boom! Living out of a suitcase. Living the dream. So yeah, all done. Gonna go to a coffee shop now. Grab an early lunch and have a mooch around Santa Fe. Right, now we're off out to find a cafe, which we think we know which one we're going to go to, that's going to have decent internet speeds, because we've got a lot of data to upload to our Google Drive. So any excuse to have a coffee,
been difficult to find a good coffee outside of Starbucks,
It
hasn't
has
it?
been very, and a lot of the Starbucks are closing down because of, unfortunately, the level of crime and the abuse, that the staff are all getting. So,
Sad.
the CEO of Starbucks has decided, right, time to shut them down. So I think they've laid off 160 people in the last week. Anyway, let's see where we end up. What a fantastic place. So this is the old jailhouse where, sorry? Flat white, decaf please. So this is where Billy the Kid was held. So this was originally a jailhouse. Where that would have been, I don't know. I mean, there's kind of an archway down there that looks like it could be leading to where the cells would have been, and this would have probably been the main police front house. Very weird, but very cool at the same time. I love it. Anyway, we're going to be sat just here, with a lovely little window slot, plug socket just here, which means I can power up the laptop and get some work done. Time for a cafe lunch stop in another one of the iconic coffee roasters. Where's your tacos? Absolutely delicious. Spicy, but delicious. Oh, thank you. The joke of Hilton continues. So after several hours of constantly moaning at reception that we've got no internet in our room, they said, come to reception, we'll give you a key to go into the executive lounge, the business lounge, where we have super fast internet. Look, it's fantastic. What a perfect location. Fridge full of drinks, coffee on tap, snacks, TVs, and a view of the pool. However, what they choose not to give us is any internet. Page honours, connect, open web browser. Nothing. Nothing at all. Crap, 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 crap. I can't say any more than that. It's crap. What do you think?
Hilton, a disgraceful, massive hotel chain, and you can't get any internet. It's bullshit. Holiday Inn last night.
Super fast.
Super fast. Great service, comfy room. It's just a piss take.
Fed up, Hilton. That's 6 of the 8 nights that we've spent in America. 6 of them have been in Hilton. We had a Marriott and we've had a Holiday Inn. All of the Hiltons have been dog shit. Even the coffee's dog shit. It's all dog shit. Fed up with it. You charge a lot of money for this. Oh, we went to a coffee shop earlier. We had 400 meg down and 160 up. But no, and that's only
0.2 of a mile.
0.2 of a mile from here. But oh no, apparently here, oh no, we do have problems with the internet. It's bad in Santa Fe. Bullshit. A place called Madrid. Madrid is where they filmed Wild Hogs.